Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center, and I promised Eric I wouldn't wear the Batman capes anymore in the videos. So, today what we're talking about is our better kit. We have the good kit, which is our entry-level one. We have the better kit, which is what we're about to talk about here, and we also have the best kit both in a 30 and a 50 amp. So, if you haven't checked out the other videos, please go ahead and check them out. Mark can go ahead and direct you to click the subscribe button. Put me a little arrow here maybe? No? I don't know. And make sure you click the bell icon to get the updates. You get a wheel chalk, which is everything you need to go camping, and that's the end of the video. Now, we're also going to get RV toilet paper. This is the 2-ply stuff. This is the good stuff, so make sure that you check out the video on why we recommend RV toilet paper. You get a RV water filter with a flexible hose on it. It's got the little bonus flex hose right here. We have the RV level bubbles, that fresh water connection, and these bubbles are the same ones we use in our RV travel trailer setup with the Coachman Catalina. You haven't checked that video out, check that one out. These are a wheel stop kit. So what these do is screw in between the tires to keep the trailer from rocking forwards and back. Just crank this down as tight as you can get it, and that's good to go there. We also come with leveling blocks. These are the leveling blocks that we're going to be using in the video as well. These are the height of the 2x4s. They're used with this, so this tells us how many 2x4s were off of square. This gives me the height of the 2x4, and we show you in the video how to make those two things work together nicely. We also get a 30 amp extension cord. Okay, so hopefully we're going to have a video up at some point on electrical safety. So this is a true 30 amp extension cord, and you can see it's even got the nice fold out end, so when you're trying to unplug it from something, you actually got something to pull on. But this is, how long, Mark? 25 foot?
Something like that.
Yep, 25 foot extension cord, 30 amp, so you can actually use that to plug in at a campsite, still run your AC and things like that. Next, we're going to get a 50 foot fresh water hose. I love 50 feet of hose. It always seems like 25 I run out. I go down to the Eastern Shore a lot, so that might be a problem down there, maybe not where you go. We have a 30 to 15 amp adapter, so you can actually plug this into a house to keep the battery charged, not run the AC. We're going to have a metal pressure regulator, not a plastic one. So this is going to connect to my campground to keep everything in check. And toilet drop-in packets. Now we go into this a little bit more in depth on one of our videos, but make sure you stay with one brand and don't jump around. That's key. That's why we went with the AquaChem, because they're pretty much available nationwide. We're going to have, let's go ahead and talk about this guy. So, Camco roof vent cover. If you have roof vents on your camper, you want to leave them open going down the road, you want to leave them open for storage, you don't want them to blow off, this is your answer. You can mount this, has 4 little L brackets that actually screw into the side of the roof vent, not into the roof itself. So we do have a video on how these, on the different ones, on the Camco, on the Max Airs and stuff. We like the Camco because it gives us 2 screws in the back so we can drop this down, access the filter inside. Here, Mark. All right, sewer hose time. This is going to be our RV sewer hose. This is a Rhino Flex sewer hose. Longtime favorite of mine. We go into this in a little bit in depth on the sewer hose video, but this is going to give us, Mark, I opened the right end of the box in this video. Last video I didn't. So, we have the adapter to drop down into the campground. We have the transparent, and this will come into help whenever you guys have a black tank flush. I really like that. So we got the 90-degree angle. All these are 360 degrees spinning locking ends, so we can lock them in, and they are 4-prong locking, which is key. We also have the Rhino Flex sewer hose, and you can see where it gets its name from. I don't know if I'll make camera. There we go. So Mark's giving me all kinds of help. So this is a great sewer hose, really is quality product. Thing I like about it is not only is it pretty durable, but if I damage it, and I'm trying to balance this and take it apart. I can actually take these end caps off of this thing, cut the damaged section out, and then put it back together. So, great little setup we designed there. Give us a call if you have any questions about this. 1-800-232-3279. Again, that's 1-800-232-3279. Have a great day, guys.